Responsibility is a duty to see that something is done.
Charity, the love for God and love for others.
Respect is not earned.
Generosity, the act of sharing what you have to others. Obedience is doing something that you are told. Compassion is the sorrow for the sufferings of other people.
Loyalty is the quality of staying firm in your friendship or support for something or for someone.
Honesty means being truthful. It means not lying and not deceiving another person. God-fearing. I am religious and I behave according to the moral rules of my religion.